In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to write a clear prompt so Grok can turn your idea into a polished image. Start by opening Grok. Launch it the same way you normally access the app or web experience so you're on the main screen. Once you're in, look to the left side of the interface and click Imagine. This is Grok's dedicated space for image creation. When you're in Imagine, you'll see the familiar chat-style layout. That's where everything happens. Next, focus on the chat bar at the bottom. This is where you communicate your idea to Grok. In that chat bar, click Image. Selecting the image option tells Grok you're about to describe a visual concept instead of asking a general question. You'll notice the input is ready for an image prompt. Now type your prompt describing exactly what you want the image to look like. Think of your prompt as a short, creative brief. Be specific about the subject, the setting, the mood, the style, and any details that really matter to you. For example, instead of saying a landscape, try something like a serene mountain lake at sunrise, low mist on the water, soft golden light, ultra-detailed, cinematic composition. If you want a particular style, include it. Photorealistic, watercolor, cyberpunk, vintage film, or minimal flat illustration. If lighting and camera feel are important, add cues like dramatic rim lighting, macro lens, or wide-angle perspective. You can also guide color and mood with phrases like cool blue palette, warm autumn tones, or playful and pastel. Keep your language clear and concise. Short descriptive phrases separated by commas work well. If there's anything you don't want, you can say so directly, such as no text, no watermark, no background clutter. If aspect ratio matters for your use, include it in the prompt, like 16:9 for widescreen or 1:1 for a square look. And if you're drawing inspiration from a period or medium, mention that too. Art Deco poster, oil painting on canvas, or studio product photo on white. The key is to balance creativity with clarity. The more precise your prompt, the closer Grok's image will match your vision. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, click Imagine on the left. In the chat bar, click Image, and then type a thoughtful, detailed prompt describing the image you want. With those basics in place, you're ready to start creating images in Grok AI.